In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close eToro trade. Closing a position on eToro is quick once you know where to look, and doing it correctly ensures your profit or loss is locked in exactly as you expect. First, log into your eToro account. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and if you use two-step verification, complete that to protect your account. Next, head to your portfolio. On desktop, you'll find Portfolio in the left-hand menu. On mobile, it's at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your open positions are listed. You'll see the instruments you're currently trading, along with their live profit or loss. If you have many trades open, you can scroll or use the search within your portfolio view to quickly find the one you want. Now, locate the specific open position you want to close. Check the symbol, the direction of the trade, buy or sell, and the size so you're certain you're acting on the right one. It's easy to mix up two similar tickers, so take a moment to verify. Click on the trade to open its details. This brings up a window or panel with more information, including entry price, current rate, units, and any settings like stop loss or take profit that might be attached. Reviewing this helps you understand what closing the trade right now will do to your balance. When you're ready, click the X icon or the Close Trade button. Depending on your layout, it may appear directly in the position row or inside the trade details window. The label is the same action. You're telling eToro to close this position at the current available market price. A confirmation prompt will appear. Before you click Close Trade, double-check the instrument name and the estimated result shown. Closing will realize your current profit or loss and stop any further market exposure on that position. Click Close Trade to confirm. Once confirmed, the platform processes the order. The position disappears from your open list and moves into your history, and the proceeds are reflected in your available balance. If markets are volatile, prices can move slightly between clicking and confirmation. That's normal for market orders. That's it. Log in, go to Portfolio, select the open position, click the trade, choose Close Trade, and confirm. With these steps, you can quickly exit any trade and keep your portfolio tidy.